Ready to transform your website from bland to brilliant? Let's dive into adding images to your Adobe Dreamweaver projects, enhancing the visual appeal and drawing in your audience first. Open the Dreamweaver application and either open an existing HTML file or create a new one. Ensure you're in Design View, which gives you a visual workspace, or Code View if preferred. Now, find the Insert tab at the top. Either click it or browse under the Insert option and select the Image option. This is where you'll find where your images are here. The Select Image Source dialog box will appear. Browse through your computer files and locate the image you want to include on your web page. Once you've selected your image, double-click or click Open to confirm your choice. The image will appear in your Dreamweaver workspace. Within the HTML file, position it where you want it to be in your web page. Dreamweaver allows drag and drop functionality, so feel free to rearrange the position of the images. Your image is now placed in your HTML page. Now, you can customize your image. You can immediately change the image size by clicking on it and using the interactive resize handles to adjust its dimensions. Make sure to do this while ensuring that the height and width are constrained to preserve the image's proportion. Remember to follow best practices. In the Properties panel at the bottom of the window, it is recommended you also add alt text or alternative text for the images, which is important for accessibility, as it provides a description of your image for users with visual impairments. Also, you can adjust attributes such as style and link, and there you have it. Your images are ready, making your website look visually appealing. Keep practicing, add more images, and enjoy the process of creating visually engaging websites. Now go create.